Hey guys, it's Monday. What's today? What's today?
Monday?
I mean the date. The January what?
January 20th.
January 20th, y'all. And guess what? My account is not back yet, y'all. My account is not back. So, in my last video, you guys, I told you that I emailed those people, Spark support, and guess what? The same day that I emailed them, they emailed me back. They said, stop. They said they have resolved the issue. Like, they said everything is good now. I was like, yay, they fixed it. So when I went to check my account, y'all, it still shows the same error. So I emailed them back. I said, hello, my account still said the same thing, like the auto insurance stuff. And the woman, she emailed me back to show them the picture. So I screenshot it and sent it to her. And y'all, she emailed me back. She said she's going to escalate to the higher department. So therefore, she don't know when this is going to get resolved. Yeah, I am so, I don't know if I say mad. I don't know what I should say, because yo, Spark was my income. Spark, it was my income. So I don't even know when it's going to resolve. And so that was I think that was Friday, if it was not Thursday. So I waited on Sunday, I didn't see nothing. I don't think they work weekends. So I was like, you know what? On Monday, I'm going to email them back. Just to make sure. Just remind them, yeah. Just remind them. And guess what happened too? Around 8 or 10 today, I woke up. I emailed them again. I say, hey, my issue still not resolved. I'm still have this issue. And after like 5 minutes, yo, she emailed me back. She said, they have escalated my case, so I need to be patient and keep waiting. As for now, they don't know too when it's going to get resolved. So guess what? I'm here, just be waiting. I don't know if it's gonna take a month. I don't know if it's gonna take weeks. I don't know if it's gonna take years. So I have no idea, guys. I have no idea. So what I came up with, yes, I know I don't like doing DoorDash, but I don't have my way out, y'all. I don't have no way out. So from now on till my account is resolved, I'm gonna be doing DoorDash. I'm gonna be doing Rodi. I'm gonna be doing Uber Eats, and I'm gonna be doing Uber Share. So all those stuff, I'm gonna be turning on, because your girl need income. Your girl need income. Spark was my only income, but right now DoorDash is going to be my income. I'm gonna be patiently waiting for orders to on DoorDash. I know Uber Eats here is, and I'm gonna be doing. I have a Lyft account too, yo. I have a Lyft. I have Uber rides. I'm gonna be doing all that. It will just depend on that day which I want to turn it on. I'm telling you, it will depend on that day which I'm going to turn it on. But I'm going to make money on those apps until my Spark is back. Because this lady told me she don't even know when it's gonna get resolved, because they have a lot of cases. So meanwhile, I don't think I'm gonna be emailing them again, because they're gonna be telling me same stuff, you know. They're gonna be telling me same thing. So that's it, y'all. That's it. And comment down below if you know anybody that this thing's affecting too, because it doesn't make sense, y'all. It doesn't make sense. And this is where it confused me. So the auto insurance, when I uploaded my auto insurance, it got approved. They even sent a message that my auto insurance was approved. But the problem is the glitch on on my app, it doesn't go away. But my auto insurance was approved. Like everything is good to go. It's just that glitch on my app. So I guess they don't even know how to take it off at this point because they tried. That's why they escalated my case. Yo, just pray for me. Just pray for me to give my account back because your girl need her account back. Your girl need her account back, yeah. So that's it. I just came here to tell you guys what's going on. So from today, tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing all these other apps. Especially, I'm gonna be taking people. I'm gonna doing Uber ride share because I think that's the only busy over here. If I wanna make money, I'm gonna be doing Uber ride share. Yeah, so stay with me, y'all. Stay with me, and please pray for me too to give my account back. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Bye bye.